Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2026 Honda Prelude. The Honda Prelude is making a triumphant return. A name that once defined sporty, stylish coupes is set to be reimagined for a new generation. The 2026 Honda Prelude, teased through a sleek concept car, promises a modern twist on this iconic model. The return of the Prelude signals Honda's commitment to combining heritage with innovation. By bringing back a beloved nameplate with modern hybrid technology, Honda aims to attract a new generation of drivers while keeping loyal fans excited. The Prelude is not just a nostalgic nod to the past, it's Honda's innovative leap into the future. Set to fill the void left by discontinued coupe versions of the Civic and Accord, the Prelude is poised to offer enthusiasts a stylish two-door option. With hybrid power likely at its core, the Prelude is ready to blend performance and sustainability. Although the exact release date remains under wraps, industry insiders expect the Prelude to hit the market in 2026. The concept car suggests a design language that's both futuristic and familiar. The new Prelude is everything you'd expect from a modern sports coupe, boasting aerodynamic lines and a commanding road presence. While the production model's details might evolve, the concept's striking silhouette already has fans buzzing with anticipation. Honda hasn't revealed specifics about the Prelude's interior, but expectations are high. By 2026, advancements in infotainment and cabin technology will likely set new standards. Evolved infotainment, a sophisticated, user-friendly system with seamless smartphone integration. Comprehensive safety features, Honda's renowned safety suite, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. Premium comfort, high-quality materials and ergonomic design to enhance driving pleasure. Fans are also hopeful for a broader range of interior color options, breaking free from the predictable black and red palettes typical of sports cars. The Prelude concept car hints at a hybrid powertrain, suggesting a move toward eco-friendly performance. Honda might borrow technology from existing hybrid models like the CR-V and Accord, but with a sporty twist. Hybrid setup, likely based on a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. More than the Accord hybrid 204 horsepower to suit the Prelude's sporty ambitions. Front-wheel drive will probably be standard, though an all-wheel drive option could surprise enthusiasts. The price of the 2026 Honda Prelude is expected to start around $31,000 and go up to $38,000 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.